Only through right education can a better order of society be built up. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. There is perhaps nothing so bad and so dangerous in life as fear. What we really are matters more than what other people think of us. Peace is not merely the absence of war, it is also a state of mind. Lasting peace can come only to peaceful people. Life is like a game of cards. The hand you are dealt is determinism, the way you play it is free will. Time is not measured by the passing of years, but by what one does, what one feels, and what one achieves. I was taught by a great man never to hate and never to fear. The person who talks most of his own virtue is often the least virtuous. Without peace, all other dreams vanish and are reduced to ashes. Failure comes only when we forget our ideals and objectives and principles. To be successful in life, you need education.